when I initially wanted to do this video, I was filled with a lot more anger and rage than I thought I would be. So what I did was I took a step back and I examined my emotions and I thought about this. You don't know me. Well, if you do know me or recognize my voice, I ask that you keep me anonymous. I'm a representative of the sneeze fetish community. I'm 25 and I live in the Midwest here in the United States. But I'm getting fed up with some of the users on here. Now, those users know who they are, or if they don't, then they're completely blind and stupid fuckers. But they know who they are, I hope. There are good ones, like Sneeze Channel 5, one of the best people ever. I got a chance to talk with him. Very nice guy. I love him. But there are others who totally upset me. Those are known as sneeze sharks. Now, what's a sneeze shark, you might ask? Someone who specifically sees a video with sneezing in it and berates the user on YouTube for sneezes or says awkward things to them. For example, there was one user, I don't know if he's still around, named Guillermo or something, and he would say, "A kiss for you, my pretty, pretty princess," to 12-year-olds. That's right, to 12-year-olds. It gets better. A lot of the sneeze fetish community seems to think that it's okay to allow underage girls to create these videos. I don't think it's okay. I think it's wrong. I do. Now, I'm not going to force my morals on you, but I am going to think differently of you. Sorry. Call me whatever you want, man, but it's just how it is. My point is that that's not us. They don't represent us. And actually it's sad that a lot of people feel that they represent us. It's a horrible thing. Horrible, horrible thing to be represented like that in such a negative manner. Because I'm a normal person. I'm sure that you listening is a normal person. You know, and I'm sure if someone doesn't have the fetish and we respect them, I'm sure they'll respect us. You know, it's not a difficult thing. You know, it's not. It's not. But there are people out there who plan to ruin us, and we need to stop them. Alright, this is like a call to action. If you ever see anyone doing anything negative, you gotta let the person who posted the video know that they don't represent us. That we are a certain breed, that we are very nice, very kind, very caring. We are... I don't know what to call us. I don't, but I'll think of something. If you're interested, write in the comments with an email that I can reach you at, and I'll make sure to hit you up. Other than that, I do appreciate you listening to me, and I think something does need to be done. Thank you.